Hey guys, what I have here is a 2002 Jeep Wrangler. It's the Sahara. So I purchased this for my son. Thing runs great, had a nice interior, but after searching and searching and searching, can't really find anything around the budget that I was looking for. I picked up this, and for the most part the body's in great shape, but as always, the Wranglers have rust issues. So this is the beginning of repairing all the rust. And currently, I just cut the bottom part of the body out here because it was rusted up pretty high, and I'll end up cutting this out also and welding in some new material, coating it and such. I just recently formed this panel. I just took some cold roll, sort of bent it, put a 1/2 inch 5/8 lip on the bottom, and what I'll do is I'll place this in here and tack weld it in place. So I just sort of wanted to document as I do it how I go about it. I have a floor panel kit coming to replace the entire internal sections of the floor, front, back, and the brace. This brace that runs across the bottom of the floor bed is pretty rotted out. The frame's fairly solid. I will grind it down and clean it up and recoat it. I guess this is what you end up with if you are sticking to a budget. So I mean, if you put your work into it, it's not a hard job, just time consuming. I'll keep you guys posted.